Hello, YouTubers. And today, it's your boy Rice here. And today, we're going to do a tutorial on this Ford Crown Victoria, or should I say Crown Vic for short. So let's get into it. So, what you need is black wool, stone button, smooth quartz slab, dark oak fence gate. Oh yeah, polished black stone slab. And another thing, we need like a birch sign. That would be like your license plate. As we need that as we go on the road, which is definitely true. And with also white concrete. You can make this in any color you want. Like in this case, I'm sticking with white because with white, the white color is easy to blend. So place wheel like that and wheel like that. Skip 3, 1, 2, 3, and another wheel here. Same on the other side, and add stone buttons on the outer edges. Let's make an H shape of smooth quartz slab and white concrete surrounding the wheels. Obviously, you add 3. Add stone. Oh no. Dark oak fence gate. This right that. One here. Have the middle opened, and then another one like that. Then you got yourself a pit bar. If you ever had to like pit maneuver some perps with your squad cars. So smooth stone slab for the headlights, and red nether brick slab for the taillights. Place your smooth stone slab and a polished black stone slab and 3 smooth quartz slabs on above the wheel, and place an H shape of black concrete and make an H shape once again like that. And if you're using if you have like, you can use an iron door as long as you have like debug. If you have a debug stick with you, something real quick, so go to press slash give. Yeah, just do your and just do yourself. You can do like app p. Just do debug debug, or you can press tab. There you go. In this case, I already have one. Just do this, and then you can press enter, and then you got yourself a debug stick. And just have this open to true with your iron doors and have them face forward. In this case, I'm going to take 3 black carpet and place some across like that, like in the middle here. Get smooth quartz stairs, polished blackstone stairs. Place the polished blackstone in the middle, and the quartz surrounding it, and take red nether brick slab. Place one here and one here. That's your taillights. And smooth quartz slab in the middle, and get a birch sign as your license plate. So for the mirrors, take like a temporarily block lever and a wither skeleton skull. Place temporarily block here and here. Place your wither skeleton skull, put them on top of it, and then have levers on the bottom supporting it. There you go. Alright, this is pretty much it on how to build a Ford Crown Victoria P71. Let's see. Comment below if you like Crown Vics. And I do, because there will be a next video of like how to attach a trailer to it. My next tutorial is like if you ever want to add a trailer to it, because obviously you would definitely love to tow with a Crown Vic. Honestly, best Fords ever made. Because again, as I get a real one, you guys will see it. I promise you. I 100% promise you. So, thank you so much for supporting me, my videos, and watching my channel. Please like, comment, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Please. And I'll see you on the next one. Next video. Bye-bye.